It's day 6 of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey, and it's time we focus on our faces with a charcoal face mask. Check out the link below for the full recipe. The key ingredient to this face mask is activated charcoal, which can also be used to make a type of black salt for casting out negative energies, but for now it will be used to draw out dirt and grime on our faces. Start with 2 capsules of activated charcoal. Just twist and separate the 2 halves of the pill and pour into a small bowl. You'll also need 1.5 teaspoons of bentonite clay. I'm using Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. And then you'll need 1.5 teaspoons of water and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar may seem too strong, but it will help to gently remove dead skin cells from your face. Mix all the ingredients together, and at this point you'll see a little bubbling cauldron action here. It's just one of those satisfying sizzling sounds. Stir the mask until smooth. I'm actually really surprised on how silky it came out. It feels just like lotion. It's really nice. Okay, let's get to pampering. Be sure to wash your face before applying the mask. You can use your fingertips for this application, or you can get a little fancy with a clean brush. Apply evenly and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes or until it dries, and meanwhile just take the extra time to catch up on some reading. The list of books I browsed through are listed below. Now, this is not a peel off activated charcoal face mask. Those can actually be quite harmful to your face, tearing off the top layer of your skin and removing elements from your face that are actually there to protect it. So stop ripping masks off your face. Okay, when you're ready, rinse off the mask with a washcloth and pat dry with a towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer, and that's it. It's refreshing and revitalizing. Be sure to subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you for day 7 of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. Bye!